What's up, all my investors? It is Shaddai, and I'm back again with another HINANCE video breaking down the complex financial world for everyday people like me and you so that we can make this moolah, this cheddar, this bread. A lot of confusion going on right now in the market, but today I'm bringing y'all the word of the week, which is Treasury Yields. This is a very important thing to know, right? Maybe you're wondering, what are Treasury Yields? Let's give y'all the exact definition. It is the interest rate that the U.S. government pays to borrow money for different lengths of time. There's a few different Treasury yields. The important ones that kind of affect the stock market are the 10-year and the 2-year. They have this chart where they look at these indicators, and the 10 and the 2 can predict recessions. Right now, the 10-year it's getting very ugly. So if interest rates rise, if inflation rises above 1.6%, let's be specific here. If inflation rises above 1.6%, let's say inflation gets to 2%, and you have a 10-year treasury paying you interest of 1.6%, you are now losing money because inflation is surpassing the interest rate that you are getting. So people start selling their bonds. That's why these metrics are kind of important to watch. I'm not saying live and die by them, but I'm saying watch them. Also, if you start to see the 10 and 2-year treasury yields invert, that is a sign of a recession coming. We don't want to see that. But what we have seen is the step before, is them flattening, starting to flatten. When both the curves starting to flatten, that is like the step before they start to invert. But we don't want them to invert. If y'all start to hear that the 10 and the 2-year treasury yields are inverting, listen, I'm gonna tell you right now, sell everything you can, because it's gonna be a bigger dip than what you're seeing right now, and that's a guarantee, man. The 10 and 2-year treasury yields have predicted a recession damn near every single time. History repeats itself, as many of us may already know. So we got to be on our P's and Q's. We got to be very close to the ground on everything happening right now to make sure that we don't lose the money that should be in our pockets. So pay very attention to these bonds. These are like, because these aren't little people that are investing in these treasury yields. These are big guwap type of people. They got the bag, the long bag, the one that drag on the floor, not the little bag that you got and probably that I got. So when they start selling these bonds, that's money being taken out the system. Real money, not printed money. That's money being taken out the system, and they're either holding on to it or they're putting it elsewhere. It could be Bitcoin, it could be ETFs, it could be real estate, it could be many things where they're getting a higher return. So with that being said, this is why this is an important word of the week, because this is creating this whole sell-off, the treasury yields. It's just creating a bunch of, I know some of y'all are just as mad as me, because it's just like, man, it was winning. We was winning. And then all of a sudden these treasury yields come by and people start selling at interest rates, inflation. Yeah. This is what I want to tell. Everybody's selling all those bonds. This is what I want to tell you right here. Sold your bond? Yeah. Sold your bond? Yeah. Here. Take this. You sold the bond? Take this with it. Because you're screwing everybody else over. I hope that you learned something with this word of the week. Like I said, keep y'all ears close to the ground. Make sure y'all pay attention to everything that's going on. If you have any more questions about the treasury yields, please let me know in the comments below. Someone did ask me, should they invest in treasury yields? Listen, right now, it is a whole lot of confusion right now, but I'm going to stick to tech because that is what's going to propel us forward no matter what. Technology will propel us to the next level no matter what. It always has. It always has. Even as confusing as it can get, it always has. I appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with a friend, family member, your boyfriend, your sister, your girlfriend, whoever you can, because it does magical things when you start sharing. I appreciate y'all always. Shout out to all my future millionaires. I'll see y'all tomorrow.